Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 154. This was the 31st of January 2023. I started the day off with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill with 5 minutes. 5 minutes on the 31st of January jog, and then I did Remote Wellness Academy, books. I had a coaching session, and then I did power training. And what I'm grateful for, I am grateful for my homeowners association. I think we do an outstanding job. I think the people who run the homeowners association do an outstanding job. I know that they were painting the sign in the front. People are doing everything they can to make the neighborhood look nice, and it does look nice. And I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for Florida weather. It was a nice sunny day today, and nice warm weather in the month of February when the rest of the nation is freezing. So I'm grateful that I live in Florida, grateful for my homeowners association. Thanks for watching. Talk to you tomorrow.